My name is Pedone, and my company is The Interactive Home. And for the last 35 years, I've been in the audio-video industry. I want to talk about some of the technology that's available today and what makes the technology specific to townhouses. Through the use of Wi-Fi and the World Wide Web, we have the ability to stream content directly to these flat screens. There's wonderful products out there that are called streaming media devices. You have little boxes today that are no bigger than my iPhone, by the way, which is also a streaming media device. It gives us the ability to create our own libraries and access what's on those libraries or on our computers from any TV in the house. Anything we want, movies, photos, music. Store it, and by using our home computer and these streaming media devices, we can access that content and send it to any TV in the house. Streaming media is today's technology, and it's the future technology. Now, right now, we still have all these interfaces. A cable box, a DVD player, these little media servers, Apple TV, Roku. In the next 3 to 5 years, all the black box technology is going to disappear. Everything is going to be streamed directly to the flat screen television. One of my friends comes into my home and he has a new song on his phone. He can jump on my Sonos player and stream it right to that room, and I can listen to what he has on his phone. We have the ability to control lighting, HVAC, cameras, local TVs, all from one platform. Everything is done today by use of an iPad, an iPad mini, a cell phone. It doesn't make much difference what the platform is. We have the infrastructure to make it simple to use. Our tagline is simplifying the home, simplifying life. Now, wiring a home. 5 years ago, the home network was not important. We had one computer, we sat at our desk, and we accessed everything from that one computer. Today, all of us in this room walk around with cell phones. We all carry iPads. All of these devices sit on our home network. They all have an address, an IP address. All of these devices can stream content to your flat screen TVs. All of these devices can communicate with one another. So the home network today, the Wi-Fi, has become the most important part in the home. Now, in townhouses, we have structural integrity to contend with. We have stone, we have steel, we have 24 inches of concrete foundation walls. But I'm happy to say that the technology is in place where we can create networks in most of our clients' home and have them go floor to floor seamlessly without ever dropping off the network. And once we create a seamless network, we can then give you the ability to basically do whatever you like in your home. You're going to see technology change again in the next couple of years. One, on the wireless side, there are devices coming out that are going to allow us, instead of having multiple access points through a house, be able to put one device in and sweep the entire house full of Wi-Fi. And do it in such a manner where if you have one device or 15 devices on the Wi-Fi, they're all going to be able to connect to the internet at the highest rate of speeds. Electricity is going to change. Right now, we're locked into an outlet. Every time we want to put a flat screen on a wall, we got to run a wire. We got to chop and grind plaster walls. We got to get that outlet behind the flat screen. The new technology that's going to come down the pipe is electromagnetic induction. It's being used today in commercial applications. We're going to be able to put panels up on walls. And anywhere you place a wall sconce, you'll be able to give that wall sconce an address and turn it on from a switch. The whole panel becomes an electromagnetic field. It automatically will transmit electricity to that device. We'll be able to take a flat screen and say, nah, you know what? I don't want it on that wall anymore. I want it on that wall. And turn it on, and it's going to work. I go into townhomes today, and I have the ability to swap out a bunch of dimmers and put in the new dimmers. I have the ability to remove thermostats, put in a different thermostat. I have the ability to walk around the home and hang network cameras and not have to run a single cable. And at the end of the day, when we're done, I can put the iPad in my client's hand, or more importantly, put a simple keypad on the wall with 6 buttons and have a party scene, have an entertainment scene, and my favorite button, the all-off scene. Heading out the door, you hit that all off, every light in that house goes down. And we can provide that for our townhouse owners because the technology is in place. Everything today, because it's on the wireless network and because it's on the tied to the World Wide Web, everything can be monitored remotely. We can take anyone's townhome and know when the computers go offline. We can know when the processor goes down. My thermostat in my house emails me when it loses communication. Cameras today, everything is portable, so everything comes back to the wireless device. Townhouse owners and townhouse realtors should not be afraid of today's technology. If you have any questions, please call me. I'd be more than happy to answer anyone's question.